喂喂喂喂喂。Hi everyone, welcome to our today's Retekess live broadcast. Today we will introduce various radios for you. On our screen, you can see several radios of different types. And now I will introduce these radios one by one. And the first radio I will introduce is the Retekess V115 radio. This radio is very fully functional, and this radio has three bands: FM band, AM band, and SW band. It can be listened to most of your favorite radio stations. And also this radio, you can see it has a backlit LCD display, so it makes the more convenient to use at night. And also this radio can search and store radio stations automatically or manually. Now let me show you how to use several these functions. Uh, the the use of this radio is very simple. First, you should long press the power button to turn the radio on. You can see now the radio is on, and later you can press the mode button to change from the band. Uh, as as I said before, there are three bands of this radio, so you can uh, press the FM or AM band to select the different band, and also there is a SW band, so you can select your favorite band you want to listen to. And now I will show you how to search for radio stations. First, you should set the radio in the radio mode, and then you can long press the play or pause button, this button. You can long press this button, and then the radio can automatically search for radio stations. You can see the number of the radio station is flashing on the display, and it will automatically search for radio stations and store them from low frequency to high frequency in order. So you can see now the radio is is searching for uh, radio stations, and when it searched a radio station, it will pause and store this radio station, and also it will store the radio station in order from the low frequency to high frequency. Okay, now you can see has finished it has finished radio searching. Now you can press these two buttons, the forward and backward button, to quickly select the stored radio station and start listening. You can see we press this button and it will jump to the next stored radio station. So this function is very useful and it is very uh, convenient to select the radio station you want to listen to. And uh, there is another way to search for radio station is that you can search for radio station manually. Uh, it is very simple to operate too. The way to manually save a radio station is also you should set the radio in the radio mode. And then you can long press these two buttons, the backward or the forward button, to search for a radio station. I will show you. For example, I long press this forward button and it will search for the next radio station. And also you can see when a radio station is received, the search will stop and the received radio station will start to play. The number of the preset radio stations in each frequency band is limited. The FM band, in the FM band, you can store 80 preset radio stations, and in AM band, you can store 60 preset radio stations, and in the shortwave band, you can store 300 preset radio stations. If there are any interfering radio station is automatically saved. You can also long press the delete key to delete it. Uh, then I will show you how to delete the radio station. Uh, Here is the delete key. You can see there is a delete on it. Then you can long press this key, and then you can press the play or pause button to confirm. Then you can delete this in the current radio station. This function of deleting preset radio station allows you to save more favorite radio stations. It is very useful. 这种，但是有声音就在播。And also, in addition to listening to the radio, this Retekess V115 radio can also insert a TF card to play music. Now we have inserted a TF card, so I will show you how to uh, use this radio to listen to some music. Um, First, you should press the mode button. The mode button is here. You should press this button to enter the playback mode. And also you can see now the screen will show the music name and format, music, playing time, and so on, the information of the current music. And also you can press play or pause button to pause it or go on to play it. And also you can press the backward or forward button to change the music to play. And also there is another function is that you can see there are some number keys on this radio. So when you want to listen to uh, when you want to listen to some music, you can also press the number to directly enter to this music. For example, I want to listen to the uh, nice music. You can directly press the number 9 and then it will directly change to the nice music song. And also, for example, I want to listen to the number 4. You can press the number 4. Then it will quickly jump to the first music song. So this function is also very useful to listen to the music you want to listen to. And also when you want to listen to the radio station, you can also press the number key to directly enter the frequency. For example, I want to listen to the frequency. I enter the 900. Then it will quickly jump to this frequency. So this is also very functional and useful. And instead of listening to the radio or music song, you can also use a microphone recording or line input recording or broadcast recording. So there are more practical functions. And turn to the right side of this radio, you can see several jack. This one is the headphone jack, and this is the line input. And here you can insert a TF card, and this is the USB cable. And also you can use the batteries to power this radio. Okay, now I will show you the next radio. The following radio is our Retekess TR107 portable radio. This radio is very small, and this radio is very uh, it is definitely a pocket radio. And also this radio has two band, the FM band and the AM band. Uh, the FM band frequency is from uh, 87 megahertz to 108 megahertz, and the AM frequency is from 520 kilohertz to 1710 kilohertz. And also you can see this portable radio comes with a headphone jack, so it will allow you to listen to your favorite radio station uh, anytime and anywhere. Uh, and also this radio has a it has the super bass setting. So this will uh, allow you to get better sound quality. You can see it is on the right side of this radio, and you can switch it to different mode. Uh, you switch it to the left side, it means the power off, and you can switch it to the middle, the power is on, and switch it to the right side, you can get the best setting, you can get a better sound quality. And also the band switch is here. You can also switch it to the AM band or FM band or FM. Uh, so uh, you can listen to the different radio station you want. And here is a tuning knob. You can turn the tuning knob to change the radio station, and the volume knob is on the left side. You can uh, adjust the volume turning this knob. So the size of this radio is very small. It is very compact and portable, so it can be easily put into your pocket. And also, the power supply of this radio is powered by two AA battery. So you can put into AA battery to power this radio, and it is low power consumption. And also, ordinary AA batteries can be easily obtained. So there is no battery in our package. You can prepare two AA batteries uh, to power this radio. So this radio is very suitable for people who want to listen to some radio stations in his or her uh, outdoor sports, such as walking, jogging, running, um, and next I will introduce um, the next radio is our Retekess TR 614 portable radio. This radio also has three bands to select from: the FM band, AM band, and the shortwave band. Uh, you can switch the button here to change the band you want to listen to. And also, this radio has a very vintage look. You can see it is very portable, and also it is very vintage. And also this radio it has high quality wood edge design. So also it can reduce damage caused by friction. This simple retro appearance gives people a feeling of the 50s. So, equipped with the large speakers and high quality speakers, you can still hear clearly even from a distance. In addition, this portable radio is equipped with uh, leather lanyard, so it is also very easy to carry and use. It is very suitable for your leisure time. And also you can see here is a 23.62 inches antenna. It will help you receive signals stably, so you can enjoy the fun of your favorite radio station without worrying about noise. Uh, and at the right side of this radio, we can see there is a volume knob. You can turn this volume knob to turn the radio on, and also to change the volume of the radio. And here is a headphone jack. So also you can use a headphone, insert a headphone to listen to the radio station. Allows you not only to make the sound come out, but also to enjoy your private time. And also here is a, uh USB cable. You can use this to charge for the radio. Uh, and the operation of this radio is also very simple. You just need to switch to the band you want to listen to, and then you can turn the volume knob to turn it on. And the turning knob is on the top of the radio. You can turn this knob to switch the radio station you want to listen to. Now I will turn it to show you. And you can see from this dial window, you can see which radio station you are listening to. Okay, so this radio has a built-in rechargeable battery, and longer battery. It has longer battery life. So it is also very suitable for listening to your favorite radio stations in the park or other outdoor scenes. But also to avoid the waste caused by disposable batteries. Mm. So this is our TR614 radio. And now I will introduce the next one. The first radio I will introduce is our Retekess TR605 radio. This radio is also very compact and portable. Um, and also this radio has a special design is that it has a flashlight. It has a flashlight lighting function. And so this radio is also very suitable for use in the event of a power failure or outdoors uh, situations, and in case of emergency. And also you just need to push the flashlight power switch to the left side to turn on the flashlight, and then switch it to the right side to uh, turn off the flashlight. And this radio is powered by uh, it's also powered by a rechargeable battery. Without it doesn't have a LCD display, but it is more power efficient, economical, and practical. Uh, and also, it will have a long working time. You can see the power indicator. Um, it has a power indicator. So when you are charging the radio, the power indicator will be bright to red when charging, and the indicator will turn off when fully charged. So then you can remove the power to listen to the radio programs as soon as possible. And how to turn this radio on is very simple. You just need to slide the volume knob to turn on the radio. And also you can slide this knob to uh, adjust the volume level. And after turning on this radio, you can also push the band switch. You can switch this button to select the band you want to listen to. There are three bands you can select from. They are FM band, AM band, and SW band. And which band you select, it will be a right indicator on its right side. Mm, the red indicator on the right will light up. And after selecting the band you want to listen to, now I have selected the FM band. And then you can uh, turn the turning knob. The turning knob is here. You can turn this turning knob to search for the radio program you want to listen to. And after select the radio program you want to listen to, you can slide the volume knob to adjust the volume to an appropriate level. And you can see the side close to the turning of the radio will have the smallest sound, and the opposite direction will have a louder sound. Okay, and now I will explain to you how to use this radio to achieve the best reception effect, so that you can enjoy the radio station happily. Our TR605 radio is a three-band radio. The FM, AM, and shortwave radio station you can listen to. So when you want to listen to the FM broadcast, you can pull out the antenna to get the best reception. Uh, so when you want to listen to AM broadcast, the radio will uses its internal magnetic antenna. So at this time, you can get the best reception effect by changing the direction of the radio. You can uh, turn it to different direction to get to find the best reception, and also the compact shape and simple operation of the TR605 uh, makes it very friendly to the elderly, and can be easily used without learning complicated operations. And you can see this radio has a 13.78 inches rotating antenna, so it makes the signal more stable. The radio has an external speaker, and the sound is also very bright and clear. It's a good choice for the elderly. You can also listen to the radio through the headphone. You can see here also has a headphone jack, so you can insert your headphone to enjoy a quiet time alone. This radio weighs only 0.45 pounds. It is a small and compact device with a practical hand strap. Uh, it is the perfect portable radio for you to spend a pleasant time at home, or beach picnic, or gym, or other outdoor things. So if you like this radio, don't miss it. You can check it out in our store. Uh, Now I have introduced uh, all of the four radios for you. Uh, each radio has its different function or different characteristics, so you can choose your favorite radio according to your preference or your needs. For example, This TR614 is more suitable for indoor use, and this TR107 pocket radio is more useful for your outdoor use, especially for your outdoor sports. So you can choose the radio you like according to your needs. And now our and now our today's live broadcast is coming to an end.